In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Compare tool in TradingView. If you're looking to analyze relationships between different assets, spot trends, or simply enhance your charting skills, the Compare tool in TradingView is an essential feature to master. TradingView is one of the most popular platforms for traders and investors, offering powerful tools for market analysis, and the Compare tool can help you take your insights to the next level. If you don't already have a TradingView account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. To begin, open your browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. Once you're there, log into your TradingView account. This step is important because it ensures that any adjustments you make to your workspace can be saved for future use. Having a personalized workspace makes it easier to stay organized and efficient. Next, navigate to the Products section, which you'll find in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on it and you'll see a menu of TradingView's tools and features from here. Select the main charting tool. This is the heart of TradingView's platform and will bring you into your chart workspace. Once your chart has loaded, take a moment to locate the set of icons at the top left corner of the screen. One of these icons is a small circle with a plus inside. It's the plus sign icon. Hover over it for a second to confirm, then click on it. This will open up a search box. Now, in the search box that appears, type in the symbol or currency you want to compare. As you type, TradingView will automatically provide a list of matching options. This feature is really helpful because it allows you to double-check that you're selecting the correct asset. Once you see the asset you want to compare, click on it to make your selection. After that, it's time to decide how you want the comparison to be displayed. You have two options here. If you choose Overlay, the two assets will be displayed as lines on the same chart, directly on top of each other. This is a great option if you want to see how their movements correlate in real time. Alternatively, you can select New Pane. With this option, the comparison chart will appear in a separate pane below your existing chart. This is especially useful if you want to keep the charts less cluttered and analyze each one more clearly. Choose the option that best fits your analysis style. Once you've made your choice, you can adjust the layout to better fit your needs. If you've opted for the New Pane view, you might need to resize or drag the panes to make everything more visible. This might feel a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. It's something you'll get used to quickly with a little practice. And that's it. You've successfully used the Compare tool in TradingView. With this feature, you can now analyze relationships between assets, spot correlations, and gain deeper insights into the markets. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.